My name is Amir and I live in Granger, Indiana. We put a beautiful patio and obviously we reviewed, we talked to the people about putting a patio, but even though we told them we have septic line and they said, no, there is no issue, you'll be fine. And then we put the patio with and a few months later we had all the problems, flood, overflowing, and I sort of thought, oh my God, we spent all this money, put the patio, now we have to dig and put everything back. So constantly, almost every 3-4 months, we had to call to empty the septic. It was true, seriously. I was like, oh my God, they told me nothing. And then bang, bang, water, water, water. And then I said, I'm not digging this up. This was crazy, you know. And then we were so fortunate. We called Dig It, and Dervin came and said, well, we have a system which is supposed to do a miracle. And I said, I'm all for it. So they did the system and they made the proper holes into the ground and then they said, let's see it, let's see if it works. So I haven't had any problem the last 6 years, never ever have had any issues. With this, they just come to inspect it at least once a year, and that's it, nothing else. They just want to make sure it all function, everything is functioning. But I'm pretty happy, as I said, I'm glad they're doing that, because even the old system that I had, I wish I would have done it, because it's always good to just to be safe, make sure everything is working. So compared to what I had before and what I could have faced to this is absolutely, it's all satisfying.